I have this wireless car charger here that was sent to me by this brand GuMosh or GuMosh, and they sent it to me to review, and I just want to show you guys how it works. So first of all, you do want to install it in a flat surface. I was going to put it here, but it's kind of too curved, so this is the only flat spot that I had here. And as you can see, it does have some color. Whenever you plug it in, it turns different colors, and you can rotate it. It does say to let it sit for 24 hours right after you install it. So I don't want to do too much on it, but you can see here, you can move it different directions. You can move it up and down. You can move it back. Whatever position you want to do, that's on you, right? And you see this cable here. So for me, it was a little different, this cable, because the only way to plug it in is kind of here in the center console, and it doesn't reach, like you see, it's just hanging. But you could definitely, I'm assuming you could definitely use a different cable, as long as USB-C to USB-C, and you'll plug it in to here. It comes with this right here, this adapter, and it'll, it gives you another space to plug in a USB. And you can see here the cable is just USB-C. You can just plug it in there. So I'm probably gonna order a longer cable for this, but as you can see, I plugged it in. There you go. And once you put in your phone on there, you can see it's charging. And like I said, you can adjust it to however you want, put it long ways. Just here again, like this cable is blocking me, so but should it be an issue, you can rotate this down if you wanted to, which honestly, it actually makes it better. And like I said, you can however you want to do it. You can do it this way, and you'll see here it's actually charging. So only thing is, make sure you have a MagSafe case, or just the phone. If you don't have a case, it'll work fine. But if you have a case that doesn't have a MagSafe, it probably won't work. Maybe it will. It just depends. Like if it's just a different case that doesn't have this, it'll probably be harder to stay on there. So definitely make sure you have one of these cases here. But other than that, it'll work. And you can see there, 54% charged, and you can still view your GPS or whatever you need while you have it on there and it's charging. You don't have to worry about plugging it in anymore, and you're good to go.